Hey there, today we're going to look at how to run Flutter app in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. First, go to the official Flutter website. Over here, you will see the documentation for installing Flutter. Now tap on this link, then tap on install. Over here, if prompted by your browser, allow it to open VS Code. After that, install the Flutter extension. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl plus Shift plus P or Command plus Shift plus P on Mac. Over here, select Flutter, New Project. Then choose the project location and name your project. After that, the Flutter template project will be created automatically. Now open the project and check the generated files. Over here, you can edit the code and customize your Flutter app. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.